Dr. G, people are asking me why your results are so natural. I want you to answer to this question. Why our results are so individual and natural?
Okay, the fact is, every patient that comes in the door, we treat personally as an individual. And the fact is that everything about them as a person and just who they are physically, it's different than the next person. So why would we give them the exact same hairline or hair surgery that we're giving the last person? When we look at a person's face, especially as surgeons, we're looking at their unique qualities, their facial structure, where the position of their jawline and eyes are compared to their hairline. That is not the same in every person. We're not all carbon copies of each other. So when we do a hairline design and how we plan their surgery, it has to match their characteristics. And if you don't do that, frankly, it's never gonna look good, because somebody else's hairline on somebody else's face looks ridiculous. So we literally go through the steps of measuring facial dimensions and really mapping that stuff out beforehand, because the fact is, that's what matters.